Good morning, class 12C. We shall now begin the second topic in partnership retirement, that is treatment of goodwill on retirement of a partner. Just give the heading treatment of goodwill on retirement of a partner. You already know the concept how goodwill is to be given because we have already seen how goodwill is to be treated when there is a sacrificing ratio and a gaining ratio available at the time of admission. The journal entry, the concept will remain the same. It will only be replaced by the situation. Now there is gain and sacrifice because there is a retirement. So write down treatment of goodwill in case of retirement of a partner. There is a reminder that on Saturday you have to submit your registers for correction. If you want to get it checked, kindly submit it in the time which I have told you. Okay, treatment of goodwill in case of retirement of a partner. Just write down when a partner retires, we will calculate the sacrificing or gaining ratio. We will calculate the sacrificing or gaining ratio of the remaining partners at the time of retirement. We will calculate the sacrificing or gaining ratio of the remaining partners. As I have already told you, जो remaining partners हैं उनका sacrifice भी possible है और उनका gain भी possible है, right? So we'll calculate the sacrifice or gaining ratio of the remaining partners. Also, the share of retiring partner in goodwill is calculated. The share of retiring partner's goodwill is also calculated. The following journal entry is to be passed for the same. The following journal entry will be passed for the same. Now when the gaining partner will make compensations to the retiring partners, the following journal entry will be done. So you write gaining partner's capital / current. Gaining partner's capital / current account debit. Capital या current account as the question suggests. Gaining partner's capital / current account debit to sacrificing partner, in the bracket you write if any. So to sacrificing partner's capital account, also to retiring partner's capital account. To sacrificing partner's capital account and to retiring partner's capital account. In the brackets, in the narrations, you will write goodwill adjusted on retirement. Goodwill adjusted on retirement. So gaining partner will pay, and he will pay to the retiring partner his share of goodwill, and he will also pay to one of the existing partners in case they are sacrificing on retirement. Okay, is the condition clear? Write down a question. Question number 14 of your book says, P, Q, R and S are partners sharing profits and loss. P, Q, R, S are partners sharing profits and loss in the ratio 5:3:1:1. Sharing profits and loss in the ratio 5:3:1:1. So this is their old ratio. On 1st January, S retires from the firm. Date doesn't matter. On 1st January, S retires from the firm, and on S's retirement, S apostrophe S, and on S's retirement, the goodwill of the firm is 4,20,000. The goodwill of the firm is 4,20,000. Full stop. The new profit sharing ratio among PQR. Now since S retires, PQR are the remaining partners. The new profit sharing ratio amongst PQR will be 4:3:3. The new ratio will be 4:3:3. Pass necessary journal entry for the treatment of goodwill on S's retirement. Pass necessary journal entry, not S, pass necessary journal entry on S's retirement. So you write first old ratio of PQRS equals to old ratio of PQRS equals to 5:3:1:1. Next line, new ratio of PQR equals to, now to do the question clearly and quickly, you must note down these details. The new ratio of PQR equals to 4:3:3. In the bracket write down new ratio. 4:3:3. This is the new ratio. Goodwill of the firm. Goodwill of the firm equals to 4,20,000. Goodwill of the firm equals to 4,20,000. Next line you write sacrifice / gain equals to question mark. Sacrifice / gain equals to question mark. So for any partnership question, you must know these three basic details. What you have to do, what is the old ratio and what is the new ratio. Okay, let's move. Now since to save time, I already have it for you. The old partners are P, Q, R and S. In the old ratio 5:3:1:1 they are added in the firm. The goodwill of the firm stands at ₹4,20,000. ये वो वाली टाइम की गुडविल है जब एस भी पार्टनर है, जब एस को पार्टनर करके एग्जिस्ट करे. The new ratio of PQR, since S is retiring, so new ratio for PQR is 4:3:3. What shall be the gaining ratio or the sacrificing ratio? For this you need to find out with the help of the formula. The gaining or sacrificing ratio, here it will be new ratio minus old ratio. So for P, Q, R and S, new ratios minus old ratios. So here are the new ratios and here are the old ratios. First of all, because for S this thing is not applicable, वो तो जा ही रहा है, उसका तो sacrifice है 1/10. 1/5+3 8 + 1 + 1 1/10. Let us find it out for P, Q and R. Old ratio, new ratio minus old ratio. For Q, new ratio minus old ratio. And for R also, new ratio minus old ratio. That is 1/10. Work it out. LCM is 10. 1 times 1 4s are 4 minus 1 times 1 5s are 5. This is P's sacrifice. Please note P is the remaining partner also, और इसको S के जाने से कुछ भी gain नहीं हुआ. However, he has sacrificed because the fraction is in negative. For Q, 3/10 minus 3/10 means he is neither sacrificing nor he is gaining. For Q, the retirement of S has no effect because neither he is gaining nor he is sacrificing anything. For R, new ratio minus old ratio. 3/10 minus 1/10, the LCM is 10. 1 times 1 3s are 3 minus 1 times 1 1s are 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. Now since our share is in positive, this is a gain for R. So now you know S is going out. S is the retiring partner. R is the gaining partner. P is the sacrificing partner. And Q has got nothing to do because उसका profit sharing ratio S के retirement पर नहीं change हुआ. Now, what shall be the goodwill amount? R will compensate to P and S. After you have written this much, after you have calculated the sacrifice and gain, write down. R is our gaining partner, so he will compensate. R is a gaining partner, so he will compensate to both, to P and to S. He will compensate to both, to P and to S. 4,20,000 is the actual amount of goodwill. Out of this, the shares of P and S, shares of P and S will be calculated and R has to give that amount to them. So for 4,20,000, P का sacrifice है 1/10. 4,20,000 into 1/10. This is the amount जो P को मिलना है. P is to get this much. And for S, it is also 1/10. How 1/10? 1/5+3 + 1 + 1 1/10. So again 4,20,000 into 1/10 for S. This is the amount which will be paid to S. This is his compensation on retirement, and this is P's compensation for sacrifice he is making. And who is gaining everything? R is gaining everything. So as per the journal entry, what shall be the journal entry? R, who is the gaining partner. R's capital account debit. Don't write the amount just now. R's capital account debit to P's capital account and to S's capital account. P is the sacrificing partner and S is the retiring partner. Sacrificing partner's capital account will be credited and retiring partner's capital account will also be credited. And R has to pay how much? R has to pay 42,000 to P and 42,000 to S. So a total of 84,000 will be paid by R. In the narration you can write goodwill adjusted on retirement. Goodwill adjusted on retirement. Is the condition clear to each one of you? Any confusion? Okay. Write down the next question. Copy this and then write down the next question. So question number 16 now. A, B, C are partners sharing profits and loss in the ratio 3:2:1. A, B, C are partners sharing profits and loss in the ratio 3:2:1. B retires and the new profit sharing ratio of A and C is 2:1. New ratio for A and C is 2:1. On B's retirement, the goodwill of the firm is 90,000. On B's retirement, the goodwill of the firm is 90,000. Pass necessary journal entry for treatment of goodwill on B's retirement. Pass necessary journal entry for goodwill on B's retirement. Got it? Let us quickly find out what is the gain or sacrifice made by A and C. So A, B and C are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio 3:2:1. This is their old ratio. Now P is retiring. P is the retiring partner. The new ratio among A and C. The new ratio among A and C is 2:1. And the goodwill of the firm is valued at ₹90,000. Isn't it? Now what we are supposed to do? You find out the gaining ratio. Of A:C, which is new ratio minus old ratio. So for A, the new ratio is 2/3 minus old ratio is 3/6. Find it out. For C, it is the new ratio is 1/3 minus for C it is 1/6. The 2's are 4 minus 3. 6, 3 2's are 2 minus 1. A and C are gaining in 1:1. Did you get this? We have just calculated new minus old. So new minus old के फॉर्मूला में सिर्फ पुट किया. Now the total goodwill of the firm 90,000. How much is B's share? B's share is 2/6. Isn't it? How much is B's share? 90,000 into 2/6. Find this out. Visa. This is B's share of goodwill. Isn't it? Any confusion? 30,000 rupees, 90,000 into 2/6. 30,000 is B's share. Now this B's share will be distributed between A and C in their in their gaining ratio, which they are to pay to B as an amount of compensation. So who is making a gain? A is making a gain. A's capital account debit. Who else is making a gain? C को भी gain हो रहा है, sacrifice नहीं कर रहा है. C's capital account debit. And who is the one who is supposed to take away everything? जो basically by default जो retiring partner होता है उसका share ही, उसका sacrificing share भी होता है. So A's capital account debit, C's capital account debit to the retiring partner. B's capital account. The contents have changed, however the journal entry is the same. Gaining partners debit to retiring or sacrificing. Sacrificing नहीं है, so we have not put that. So A will pay 15,000 here and here also. C will also pay 15,000 and he will gain away everything on his retirement. He will take 30,000. 15 he will take from A and 15 he will take from C. Goodwill of the firm adjusted on B's retirement. Any confusion with this? Note it down. Yes, children. Any query? Any confusion?
No, ma'am.
Okay, very nice. If it is not, then very good. Question number 19. I wish to do at least the concept of goodwill with you today. Copy this down very quickly and then we will do one question from hidden goodwill. Should I say the question? In case it is left, then you can check it out from the video later on. Give the next heading, hidden goodwill. अब ये भी possible है that a partner is retiring. There is goodwill existing in the firm, but it is hidden goodwill. Then what to do? Write down hidden goodwill in case of partner's retirement. As I have already told you, for MCQ based questions and for the short questions also, you must need to know the basic details. Retirement we are not expecting in the first term but in the second term. So hidden goodwill in case of retirement of a partner. This is question number 19. ABC are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio. ABC are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio 4/9 is to 3/9 is to 2/9. Means 4 is to 3 is to 2. Okay. B retires and his capital after making adjustments for reserves and gain. And his capital after making adjustments for reserves and gains is rupees 1,39,200. 1,39,200. Full stop. A and C agreed to pay him rupees 1,50,000. Now you see his capital balance is how much? 1,39,200. But when his retirement happened, the other partners paid him how much? They paid him rupees 1,50,000, a little more than what he should get. So they have given him rupees 1,50,000, 50. In full settlement of his claim, in full settlement of his claim, record necessary journal entry. Record necessary journal entry for adjustment of goodwill. For adjustment of goodwill, record necessary journal entry for goodwill. For adjustment of goodwill, if the new ratio of A and C, if the new ratio of A and C is 5:3, if the new ratio of A and C is 5:3. Got the question? He was expected to get rupees 139,200. Now he has got 1,50,000. This is the concept of hidden goodwill. Let us do the question now. Now, first of all, you should know what is the amount of hidden goodwill. So, for hidden goodwill, there is a formula. Hidden goodwill is equal to amount paid to the retiring partner less amount stands credit in his capital account. It means what he actually got minus what he should have got. So let us apply this into the condition given to us. We have paid him rupees 1,50,000, but his partner's capital balance was 1,39,200. How much extra has he got? Quickly tell me.
Ma'am, 1,50,000.
1,50,000 is the total amount he got, and the capital balance उसको मिलना इतना ही चाहिए था, और उसको जब पे किया तो 1,50,000 पे कर दिया. How much extra have we paid him? We have paid him a total of 10,800. Come on, subtract 150 minus 1,39,200 is 10,800. Now this 10,800 is his share of goodwill. This is B's share of goodwill. How will this be raised by A and C? Simple. This will be distributed amongst the gaining ratio of A and C. For you, I have worked it out. New minus old. The old ratio for the partners A, B and C stands at rupees 4:3:2. Old ratio 4:3:2. Whereas the new ratio for A and C is 5:3. Shall I turn it to the other side of the board? Okay. Have a look. The old ratio was 4:3:2, whereas the new ratio is 5:3. Now to find out the gain, what you simply have to do? You will do new minus old. For A do it and for C do it. Come on. 5 upon A minus the old ratio for A is 4 upon 9. For C it is 3 upon 8 minus 2 upon 8. 8 times are 72. That here also 72. 8 nines are 7 nines are 8 nines are do it out. 8 nines are 72. 9 fives are 35 minus 9 eights are 8 fours are 35. Here 8 nines are 9 threes are 27 minus 9 eights are 8 twos are 16. Got this out, which is 13 upon 72, and for the other one it is 11. Now A is to C, the gaining ratio turns out to be 13:11. So this 10,800 will be divided amongst A and C in 13:11. Work this out. A is also gaining. A will sacrifice. A will compensate. Is capital account debit. C is capital account debit, and all this amount will 10,800 into 13:11 divided. Is 5,850 for A and it is 4,950 for C. A will compensate 5,850 to B and C will compensate 4,950 to B. So this is goodwill adjusted on B's retirement. The new concept was the 10,800 rupees was the hidden goodwill which you have calculated. Copy it down. Question number 19, hidden goodwill. Any query on this? Yes, children, any query on this? Children, I expected to do question number 22 also with you. So you see question number 22, we have already done one of this question. जो question number 14 है, the same journal entries will be applicable. Some partners are gaining, whereas some partners are sacrificing, and the retiring partner is getting his share of goodwill. For question number 25, I will see if possible to send it to you. Otherwise, we will do it tomorrow in the class only. What's it? We'll do it in the class, right? Is there anyone copying from the board? Is there anyone copying from the board? Okay. So now very quickly listen to me. Question number 22. Quickly write down the question. A, B and C were partners sharing profits in 6:5:4. ABC old ratio 6:5:4. Capitals A, B, C. A's capital 1 lakh. B's capital 80,000. C's capital 60,000. A's capital 1 lakh. B's capital 80,000. C's capital 60,000. A retired and the new ratio between B and C. A retired and the new ratio between B and C equals to 1:4. The new ratio between B and C equals to 1:4. On A's retirement, the goodwill of the firm is 1,80,000. 1,80,000. 80. Full stop. Pass necessary journal entry on A's retirement. Now do it. Old ratio is 6:5:4. New ratio is 1:4. New ratio of B and C. So first find out gain or sacrifice of B and C. Right? Gain / sacrifice of B and C. How will you do it? New ratio minus old ratio. New ratio minus old ratio. The new ratios are given to you. The old ratios are also given to you. Find out what is the sacrifice or gain. It will turn out to be B's sacrifice 2/15 and C's gain 8/15. B will do a sacrifice 2/15 and C will get a gain 8/15. You will have to show the working note. This is just for your reference, the answers. Now, how will you calculate the amount of goodwill? 1,80,000, out of which we will find out how much the gaining partner has to give. Who is the gaining partner? The gaining partner is C, and he has to pay to A, he has to pay to B. 1,80,000 into A's share. What shall be A's share? Tell me, by looking at the old ratios, tell me what is A's sacrifice or A's share. A की goodwill कैसे calculate करेंगे? 1,80,000 into what is A's share? 6:5:4. What is A's share? Come on. 6 upon
15.
thank you, 6 upon 15, right? So 1,80,000 into 6 upon 15. Next, because B is also sacrificing, what is his sacrifice? His sacrifice is 2 upon 15. You have just calculated it, new minus old karke. So for B, what shall be the amount of goodwill? 1,80,000 into 2 upon 15. For B, it will be 1,80,000 into 2 upon 15. So what is A's share of goodwill? Quickly tell me. 1,80,000 into 6 upon 15. What is A's share? 1,80,000 into 6 upon 15. Yes, Purvi, please repeat. 72. Very good. 72,000. Similarly, what is B's share? 1,80,000 into 2 upon 15.
24,000.
24.
24,000.
24,000. Okay. So who is the gaining partner? Who is the gaining partner? C is the only gaining partner. Who will tell me what will be the journal entry? Areep, Satakshi, Amar, Aliza, anyone? What shall be the journal entry?
Ma'am, C's capital account debit to B's capital account to A's capital account.
Very nice. B is the only, C is the only gaining partner. So C's capital account debit to A's capital account and to B's capital account. A को वो कितना compensate करेगा? 72,000. And how much will he compensate to B? He will compensate 24,000. Got it? And how much is the total amount which will be compensated? How much is the total amount? C's capital account debit with?
And 1,80,000.
70, how much is it? 72 plus 24. Yes, it will be 96,000. 9696, not 1,80,000. 72 or 24 he is giving. So this shall be the journal entry. I don't think there is time to do question number 25. So we shall discuss it tomorrow. Alright, thank you.